XRP by Ripple continues to be the hot topic among crypto traders, as it dukes it out with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in an ongoing legal battle. But despite the SEC lawsuit, many experts and crypto analysts believe that XRP is the best coin of the 2021 bull run, surpassing even Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, what does the price predictions say about XRP's future? Let's find out more in today's video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Make sure to do so if you want all the latest news on cryptocurrency. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. The SEC v. Ripple Labs is currently at the center stage of the regulatory clarity debate for the cryptocurrency industry. The ecosystem is under lightning-fast evolution, and authorities are unable to keep up with the changes without risking hampering its development. Ripple still wants to go public, but a potential landmark lawsuit is causing delay. The SEC alleged in December 2020 that Ripple Labs had conducted an ongoing and unregistered security sale via the XRP token, closely associated with its brand. The case is still in the process of discovery, with Ripple asking a U.S. judge to force the SEC to disclose why it came to the conclusion that Bitcoin and Ether were commodities, not securities like XRP. The good news was the court did grant Ripple's motion. So before we get into the actual reasons that make XRP one of the best altcoins, let's take a look at what is XRP. XRP is cryptocurrency that runs on the XRP ledger, a blockchain engineered by Jeb McCaleb, Arthur Brito, and David Schwartz. They found Ripple and use XRP to facilitate transactions on the network. You can buy XRP as an investment, as a coin to exchange for other cryptocurrencies, or as a way to finance transactions on the Ripple network. Notably, XRP's blockchain operates a little differently than most other cryptos. Other cryptocurrencies open their transaction ledgers and verification processes to anyone who can solve complex equations quickly. But transactions are secure, as the majority of ledger holders must agree with the verification for them to be added. Instead, the XRP's Ripple network somewhat centralizes things. While anyone can download its validation software, it maintains what it calls unique node lists that users can select to verify their transactions based on which participants they think are least likely to defraud them. Its default list currently contains 35 trusted validators. Ripple decides which validators to approve for this list and also makes up 6 of these validation nodes. However, users can opt out of this default list and hypothetically remove Ripple-backed validators from their transactions entirely, instead constructing their own lists of trusted validators. This would allow the network to continue to approve transactions even without Ripple, the company, remaining involved or even continuing to exist. As new transactions come in, the validators update their ledgers every 3 to 5 seconds and make sure they match the other ledgers. If there's a mismatch, they stop to figure out what went wrong. This allows Ripple to securely and efficiently validate transactions, which gives it an edge over other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin. So what is all the hype about XRP versus SEC and its impacts? Impacts of XRP versus SEC lawsuit. Garlinghouse, who is Ripple's CEO, said the specter of the SEC suit has not stopped Ripple Labs from working with partners overseas to fulfill its mission of enabling speedy cross-border payments. In fact, the United States is the only country around the world that has XRP as a security. Every other country in which they work, they view it as a currency. He said Ripple has signed over 20 contracts this year, with Southeast Asia seeing strong growth. However, Garlinghouse conceded the company suffered a major blow when it paused its relationship with US-based money transfer giant MoneyGram this year. In characteristically smooth fashion, Garlinghouse also argued the SEC suit is likely to have broader repercussions, whichever way the court rules. This is about more than just Ripple. This is about more than just XRP. It really does have implications for all of crypto here in the United States, he said. Ripple announced recently that they would be partnering with Bank Dhofar, Oman's second largest bank. This follows last week's announcement that they would be teaming up with the National Bank of Egypt on a similar project. In June 2017, Ripple released their vision for the Internet of Value, the basic idea being that value should be exchanged as quickly as information. They saw the high cost and slow delivery of fiat currencies and wanted to address these issues. Using blockchain, they aim to remove any intermediaries from the process of exchanging assets or making payments. However, at the time, the market was inundated with a range of competing blockchains, which didn't necessarily connect with one another. First, industry standards had to be set. Since 2017, the blockchain market has matured and achieved great mainstream acceptance. This has created more opportunities for projects like Ripple's Internet of Value, Egypt, India, and the UAE. While Ripple's woes with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission have been well documented over the last few months, they've been making modest growth when it comes to payments. Quite recently, Ripple announced their partnership with Egypt's largest bank, the National Bank of Egypt. Through RippleNet, they would be partnering with the United Arab Emirates-based Lulu International Exchange to process cross-border payments from the United Arab Emirates to Egypt. Egypt received $24 billion last year, making it one of the top 5 remittance corridors globally, after India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines. The announcement that Ripple would be working with Bank Dhofar opens the door to another of the top remittance corridors in India. Working with Bank Dhofar and the Indian private sector bank IndusInd Bank to bring real-time payments to India. This partnership is apparently of greater significance than last week's announcement, as India is the top remittance receiving country in the world. Indian guest workers across the UAE and indeed the globe send about $76 billion a year back home. Realistic XRP price prediction. The value of cryptocurrency XRP is on the rise as several big endorsements converge to fuel the gains. These gains boost the market capitalization of the crypto to $47.15 billion, according to data tracked by CoinMarketCap. The first endorsement is actually for Ripple, the payment solutions company that also manages the RippleNet cross-border payment network. As the issuer of XRP, the fintech was named yesterday by CNBC to its 9th annual Disruptor 50 list. The business news outlet is highlighting the private companies leading out of the pandemic, with business models and growth rates aligned with a rapid pace of technological change. The recognition comes as Ripple faces off with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which has charged the company co-founder Christian Larson and CEO Brad Garlinghouse with conducting an illegal securities offering that raised more than $1.3 billion through sales of the Ripple crypto XRP. Ripple Crypto News: NFTs now factor in on XRP Ledger. Ripple's been busy with its efforts to build out its vision of the Internet of Value. The idea is to enable value, in the form of a single payment from one country to another, to move as quickly and seamlessly as information. Meanwhile, jumping on the burgeoning demand for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Ripple moved to reduce what are known as gas fees, the transaction fees that users pay to miners on a blockchain protocol to have their transaction included in the block. In this case, the fintech said it would act to combat the high fees for trading and mint fees on its XRP ledger for NFTs. The move comes as the cryptocurrency world comes to grip with the climate impact of energy used in the mining of proof-of-work blockchains. Earlier this month, Elon Musk, the co-founder and CEO of Tesla, caused tremors across crypto valuations when he seemed to have woken to the environmental costs and impact of BTC mining. His May 13th tweet that the electric vehicle maker has suspended vehicle purchase using Bitcoin knocked double-digit value off of BTC and several crypto mining stocks. "We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for mining and transaction," he wrote, calling out coal as having the worst emissions of any fuel. Ripple eyes another liftoff past $1. If we take a look at the technical charts, things look quite promising for XRP. XRP bulls might have lost the fight above $1, but remain relentless in the mission to hit higher levels at $1.2 and $1.4. This technical chart identifies positions to buy the dip and sell the top. For instance, a buy signal occurred following the bounce from last week's support at 65 cents. The call manifests by the MACD line, blue, crossing above the signal line. Note that the trend would have turned massively bullish if the indicator cracked into the positive region. With the MACD line likelihood of sliding under the signal line, the bearish grip will become stronger. A break above $1, a resistance highlighted by the 50 simple moving average, would call more buyers into the market. A surge in the tailwind force is bound to bolster Ripple past the critical $1.2 level and perhaps resume the uptrend heading to $1.4. So, It seems from this chart analysis that XRP will soon cross the $1 mark, and if that happens, it will certainly be a big move for all XRP investors. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about XRP and its potential? I would love to hear your responses in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.